Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited to share this with you guys today. It is from Southern Fleek. I think it is the laundry box. One of my absolute favorite boxes to ever receive, so let's get into it and check it out. Southern Fleek Bath. She does bath boxes, she does shower boxes, she does laundry boxes, all of the things. I love them all. I think that this is the laundry box. We're going to get into it right away. I have to cut away while I do it because you can see my address, but we're going to get into this and I am so excited to have this. I haven't had this in a little bit and I am so excited to get to share it with you guys because it's absolutely one of the favorite things that I receive. Southern Fleek Bath is Nikki Ward, and I found Nikki through another box that I used to do and immediately fell in love with her scent choices, just with everything that she did. Like I said, she does bath boxes, shower boxes. She does this, which I think is her laundry. Yes, it is her laundry box. So, I know, you're saying to yourself, Catherine, laundry. I could not agree more. That is normally the appropriate response to have when somebody gets excited about laundry. You would be like, calm down, it's laundry. It is. I changed my entire laundry process because of this box. I went to completely scentless detergents. I've actually gone to a sheet. I will link it down below for you. I feel like it gets our clothes. Now, granted, neither one of us is in construction or working in dirt, that kind of thing. We're indoor cats, as I always say. But I feel like it gets our laundry very clean. If there's a food issue or anything like that, I love that detergent. But to boost it, to make sure that it gets our clothes extra clean, and more importantly for me, because this is what drew me to Nikki and her Southern Fleek ways, was her scent choices. Everything she does is just the most wonderfully magical scent, whether it's for your bath, for your body. I will put, by the way, I have a code. I think it gets you 10% off whatever you choose at her Etsy shop. I love it all. I use this in every single load of laundry that I do. Every single one, whether it's delicate and I add it just for a little extra oomph, whether it's just for scents, it doesn't matter to me. I add it to everything. I feel like it comes out cleaner, and it smells delicious. Oh, she has a new website. That's what we're talking about here. I was like, what? This is a lot of paperwork for Nikki. This is a lot of paperwork, and it's very gorgeous. If you guys have watched it in the past, you know. She's stepping up her paperwork. I love that for her. But most importantly, I was talking about the Etsy shop. I'll fix this in my link so it will be seamless. You guys won't even know. She has a .com now. So it's southernfleekbath.com. I will put it here on the screen and down below for you. And it is her new website. Shop our new website. Easy shopping, secure checkout, free gift with every order. I will get back to you on my codes. I will find out if my codes still work. I will put it down below, that kind of thing. But that's very exciting and I'm so happy for her. So what is this? Grand opening, southernfleekbath.com. I think this is saying that during the grand opening, and I will hold that up, you get 15% off. I think it might just be at the site, so you might not even need a code. But again, I will address that all down below in the description. And then this is letting me know what we have here in the box. It doesn't matter. We're going to open it all. We're going to smell it all. We're going to enjoy it all. I'm going to tell you my faves. If you have any questions, if you go over and look at her laundry booster, do I have something in here that explains the laundry booster? If you go over and check out her laundry booster and you have any questions about any of the scents, you just let me know. I have gone over to her website and yes, it says that it's the grand opening, and with every purchase you get 15% off and a free gift. So I'm sure that's gonna beat any code that I have. I've gone over to her Laundry Booster subscription page, which will explain it all to you, and that is even off. So it's normally $44.99, but it is on sale. It says each month you will receive one 32-ounce laundry booster and 4 8-ounce laundry boosters. Your first month will come with a plastic container and a scoop. After that, it will all be in a resealable bag. After receiving your box, you can pick which one of the sample ones, so the ones in the smaller bags, you would like your large laundry booster to be in the following month. You just message me your choice within a week of receiving your box. And if you want to skip a month, you can do that. You just let her know by the 5th so she has an accurate count. So that's how it works. And I know people are going to ask, so let me just tell you the ingredients are baking soda, borax, washing soda, Himalayan pink salt, fragrance, and it may contain essential oils. So you'll get this big one, and inside here, there's a scoop. And then the refills for this, they used to, and I don't know if she's changed it up, but they come in a big, more of a papery bag. It's sealed. It's and it's lined, but it looks a little different to these, or at least it used to. But then you'll just pour that in here. It doesn't blend then. It stays true to its scent. I've never had it. I have a couple of these downstairs that I've always just, when I use these, I pour them in here one at a time just because it's easier to scoop. Okay. Goodbye Dingy Clothes, Hello Fresh and Bright, 32 ounces. So my 32 ounce, let's move into the flavors. My 32 ounce this month is guava and fig. Doesn't that sound lovely? What I like about her scents is I never have any problem doing my husband's laundry with mine. I mean, there are scents probably that he might like better, but I've never had one that was so feminine that I would worry about doing his laundry in it. Oh my gosh, that is so, oh, that makes me want a cocktail. This smells, this smells like something you want to mix with a cocktail. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. I can smell the guava. I'm not sure if I can smell the fig, if it's an undertone or an undernote. This says that the flavor name is Golden Drip. It's guava and fig, and it says fresh, juicy, slightly earthy sweetness. Smells like sunshine after a spring rain. She's not wrong. It's just gorgeous. And just for the record, this says fresh rain and sunshine energy. And this was the April box, the April laundry booster box. Laundry day, but make it a whole vibe. This month's box is bringing you the perfect mix of fresh, fruity, and feel-good scents because your laundry should smell as amazing as you do. So the guava and fig is amazing, and I love it. Okay, next out. This one is Dreaming of Rio. Well, before we open it, let's say that it says it is Rio Rinse, bright, beachy, tropical vacation vibes, straight from your laundry room. Okay, I'm already excited. Bright, beachy, tropical vacation. That sounds good. Ready? Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Bright, beachy, tropical vacation vibes. It's a little sweet. I did not realize until this very moment that the smell of tropical instantly takes me to a tropical drink. I did not realize that about myself. But I do now, and I'm not ashamed. Okay, next we have the Life is a Fairy Tale. That is what this one looks like. They all are in the same packaging. It's just the different tag. Life is a Fairy Tale. Spin Cycle Magic is its name also. And it says it's going to be sweet, whimsical, girly, because your laundry deserves a little fantasy too. Okay, well, let's see this one. If this is the first one that I say, yes, it's too girly for my husband's laundry. Luckily, there are a couple loads of mine I do separate from his, so it won't even matter. Okay, cleansing. Oh, I don't think this is too girly for him. This is very light. This is a much lighter scent than the other two. It's kind of sweet. Did it tell us anything about what's in it? No, it doesn't. I'm not sure what the scent is. It just has an overall clean, slightly floral, slightly sweet. I would not hesitate using this on my husband's clothes. It does not smell like girl's perfume. I like that a lot, and I 100% don't think it's too girly. Okay, two more. Then we have the Black Raspberry Brulee. Money on whether this makes me think of a drink. This one says that it is sweet spin, warm, rich, slightly dessert-like, soft, cozy, and just the right amount of indulgent. I love blackberries, so it's not gonna be hard to win me over with this one. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so, this one has a slight candy-like scent to me. It smells blackberry and sweet, but it smells to me kind of like a fruity candy would. It smells so good. I'm going to say that about all of them. I mean, if there's one that doesn't, I will be honest with you. I'm not saying I'm going to lie. What I'm saying is Nikki's not going to miss. I don't think, ever smelled one thing that she has created that I have not absolutely loved. This one is Viva Brazil. It says that it is Samba Fresh, fruity, floral, vibrant, bold, fun, and impossible to ignore. Love it. Oh, that is Wow, that is amazing. What is that? It smells like a fancy drink. I almost feel like I want to be called back to that guava. Maybe she put just a touch of the guava in it. I can't tell. It is so, so fruity. This one is wonderfully fruity. What did it say? Fruity floral. I'm really not getting the floral out of it unless there are tropical flowers that smell, their floral smell is kind of fruity. It just smells so good. You 100% want your clothes to smell like this. That is absolutely lovely. Okay, so that's our 4-scent lineup. We got our full-sized one, which was the guava and fig, which I absolutely love. So you would have that one for the month. And then once you get this, within the first week that it arrives, you could take it out, smell them all, maybe test one or test them all if you want. See which one is your favorite. You let her know by the end of that first week, and that will be your big one, which will come in a recyclable package after this first one. That will be your 32 ounce for the next month. So this month we received the Viva Brazil, the Life's a Fairy Tale, the Dreaming of Rio, and the Black Raspberry Brulee. If I was choosing one of these to be the one that was gonna be, oh, that's tough, to be the one that was gonna be my big one next month, I think probably, let me double check this one again. Oh, I thought it was gonna be Dreaming of Rio, but hang tight, I gotta go back to that Blackberry Brulee. I think I absolutely love fruits, and the blackberry sounds amazing. Yeah, it would be the Blackberry Brulee. I like them all. I love them all. Don't get me wrong. But if of these 4, I was choosing one to be my big one, yeah, it would be the Blackberry Brulee. That's absolutely, that's the one that I said smelled a little bit like candy. It's just got that sweet, fruity smell to it that it just smells so fresh and nice. Okay. I am so, so happy to have had the opportunity to share this with you again. It is Southern Fleek Bath. She's got her own website now, so southernfleekbath.com. I will absolutely link it below. If you go over to her site right now, it is 15% off plus a free gift with your order. I will find out in the meantime if I also have a code, but I think when I had a code, it was 10% off. So use her 15% off now. If there's a place to comment, you could let her know I sent you over, but absolutely not necessary. I would just like her to know that my friends are all out there checking her out. And if you want to screen cap that by chance in case I went too fast, that is what the choices were. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. This is always, I will link my playlist of her goodies at the end of this. You guys can go check it out and see. I have always loved this box. Since I opened the very first Nikki product that I opened way back in the day, I think it was in a Fruit for Thought. And I was like, this is amazing. Since then, I love her since. And this laundry box, I know people are like, what? Laundry? Yeah, but it smells so good. And then it makes me not mind doing laundry as much. That could just be a me thing. I'm willing to admit that could just be a me thing. Because I hear it and it sounds a little weird, but it's true. Okay, thank you again for coming by. I appreciate you taking time to be here. If you're new to the channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will see you again soon with more videos, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys.